everyone, it's Jessie. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, this is a requested tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to do the profile picture tutorial, and then I'll do a part 2, God willing, for a YouTube banner tutorial. So enough with the chit chat, let's get started on the tutorial. So now this is just me showing you my regular Toca Boca world. You want to go out of where you are currently at the moment. Then, once you come out of your house or whatever, you then go over to the building. You see right there, and you click on it. Then, after you wait while it's loading, you click on the floogle button. Then, once you click on the floogle button, you scroll all the way until you see an empty character. Your screen might be different. And then you create a character. So I sped this part up a bit because, I don't want you guys to get bored, but you can see me making an example for this tutorial. So I tried to, change the nose and stuff like that, but you can design the profile picture however you want. Since it's summer, I am trying to go for a summery look because I already have the facial features done. I am looking for a summer-like look, so I decided to make it into a summer option, if that makes sense. So I choose a summer-like outfit, I choose summer-like clothes, I choose what I like, and then after that I'm basically done. And yeah, then once you're done, you take a screenshot of your character. Then you crop it to how you like it. Make sure you don't catch any of your other characters because you don't want that in the screenshot, you just want your character. Then once you have it to your liking, you press done, and then you save your character. Now, after that, we're going to find a background for this profile picture. So, for this, I'm using the watermelon wave club, the second floor. Then, you get rid of anything you don't want in your profile picture, like this character right here, I'm getting rid of them. And then after that, you then take a screenshot of the background, I'm so sorry. Then, after that, you go to PicsArt, or if you want to, you can go to your photos and crop it yourself on there, but it's much easier to go to PicsArt because it easily has the crop options there. You crop it to a square and you crop it the way you like it. I'm cropping it like this because I really want to capture the flower that the water is coming out of. Once you have your photo to your liking, you then save it. Then, after that, you go to Procreate, you then get your background for your photo, and then you open it. After that, get your photo of your character you recently took, and then open it too. Then select the character background and erase it. You might have to make some adjustments because there is lines in the background. But if you want to change it while you're making your profile picture, that's perfectly fine too. I'm turning my background gray because there, as you can see, there is lines in the character. So you want to erase that so that won't affect you editing your character. Plus that will be just a distraction. After you make your background adjustment, you then make your character smaller so it can fit the picture. After that, duplicate it 3 times. For me, for my process, I usually duplicate 3 times because for the first layer, I erase the body but keep the head. I then erase the neck so that it won't appear on the character. Plus, it will look a bit awkward if you keep the neck. Then, after that, I close, or should I say open, and then close the layer again. And then I select my character's head, and then erase anything that's on the layer. Please do the same for the other layers, because you don't want anything captured in the previous layers. Now that you're done erasing everything that's on the layer, you want to erase the character's head, but keep the body. You're doing this because you can capture the body and you can be able to pose it however you want to. Make sure you don't erase the neck completely because it will look weird. this is just a suggestion. Then erase any other marks that are on the layer. Once you are done, erase the previous arm that's on your character. Do not make the mark too big or your body will also erase as well. Or should I say your character's body will also erase. Then erase part of your character's leg and erase it. Make sure there are not any previous marks so it won't look awkward. Make adjustments if needed. Then, once you are done, flip the arm to pose it however you want. Take the water, add some dots here or there. Once you have the sunlight to your liking, you can lower the opacity if it looks too much. I'm adding a little bit of blue, but I don't add too much because it looked unnatural. In this case, I'm putting it at 20%. Once you're done, select Share and then Export. Once your photo is exported, you then click Phonto. You then open Photo Album